Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial for a Venn diagram graphic. We will show you how you can create a graphic that looks just like ours in a few minutes without using the PowerPoint Smart Art tool. First, you are going to select a circle shape and make sure it has no outline. Resize the circle with identical values for width and height. Now duplicate your circle. The size of this second circle should only be slightly bigger than the first. You can add a few millimeters when resizing the shape. Go into Arrange in your upper right toolbar and make sure the circles are aligned in the center and in the middle. Afterwards, group both shapes. Now place your circle in the upper left center of your slide and duplicate twice. Position the second circle in the upper right center of the slide and the third circle in the lower center of the slide. For a better overview, you can give the shapes different colors. To ensure even spacing in your final diagram, select the two upper circles. Again, go into Arrange and make sure they are aligned in the middle. Now add the third circle into the selection, and in the drop-down select Distribute horizontally. Slightly adjust the height of the lowest circle if needed. Once all circle shapes are arranged, ungroup all shapes. Go into Shape Format and select Merge Shapes in the upper left toolbar. In the drop-down, click on Fragment. All shapes will automatically take on the same color. This can be adjusted later. For now, delete all fragments not needed for the final diagram. These are the small outer lines on the circles, as well as the lines separating the smaller shapes in the middle of the diagram. Take your time with this step, as the elements are small. If you accidentally delete the wrong fragment, simply click on the undo arrow in your upper left toolbar. Once you are done with this step, group all elements. Now you can adjust the colors to your liking or based on brand color. Each part of the Venn diagram can be individually selected and filled in. And there you have it, a graphic which is easy to move and where the size can be adjusted without formatting troubles. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.